In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch Docusign accounts. This task is incredibly useful if you manage multiple accounts or if you simply need to switch between personal and professional use seamlessly. As we dive into this straightforward process, I'll guide you with clarity, ensuring every step is understandable and easy to follow. First, let's begin by assuming you're currently logged into a Docusign account. Go ahead and locate the top right corner of your Docusign dashboard. You'll notice an icon there. This icon is particularly significant because it signifies your current account status. Clicking on it will open a drop-down menu of additional options related to your account management. This is your starting point for switching accounts, so go ahead and click on that icon. Once you have successfully clicked on the icon, you'll be presented with several options that pertain to account management, and among them, you'll find the Log Out option. Click on Log Out. This action triggers a security feature in the application to ensure your current session ends properly. Logging out is essential because it not only shifts you out of one account, but also clears your session, preparing the Docusign application for a new login attempt. So now, after clicking Log Out, you'll be taken back to the main login screen. This screen is the gateway to all Docusign accounts, allowing you to transition smoothly from one account to another. Now that you find yourself on the login screen again, you can proceed to log into a different Docusign account. Simply type the email and password associated with the account you need to access. No need to await further instruction. This step is intuitive. The login process remains identical regardless of the account you wish to access. It's crucial to ensure you have the correct login details before attempting to access a different account to avoid any interruptions or unnecessary delays. And there you have it. Within just a few simple actions, you have swiftly navigated the logout and login functions to change your Docusign account effectively. This procedure is not only simple but also efficient, designed to keep your workflow uninterrupted and your digital documents secure. Remember, maintaining security is just as important as the convenience of switching accounts. So, always ensure you log out of accounts not in use and keep your login information secure. Whether you're managing multiple accounts for work or needing easy access for personal use, understanding this process offers flexibility and efficiency. We hope you found this guide useful and that it enhances your productivity with Docusign. Thank you for watching. Thank you for